Okay, this is one of a few things from Walmart. My first fucking knife. Down, so I can open it. All I'm gonna say is, can't people park anymore? Let's just say that. My lord. Huh? This is a Buck. What is it? Trekker. Huh? It cost $41.71 at Walmart. Let me get open. I see the knife for everyday carry, honestly, so. It's a nice knife, actually. It's a super nice knife, actually. Super nice little knife. I'm assuming... Is it not? Oh, it's one of these. I'm gonna open. Wait. Shouldn't there be a thing somewhere? This is one of the Chinese ones, but it's a pretty nice little buck knife, actually. Huh? Oh, that's nice. Yes, it has serrations, but honestly, I see a little knife like this just for pocket carrying. And yeah. It says Buck. It's one of the Chinese ones, by the way. Buck right there. 736, whatever. It fits nice in my hand. And it's a nice little knife I could actually do. I got more stuff, but that's going to be for another day. I will be doing feathering tests with this, obviously. But yeah. Anyway. Peace.